Hey guys, here's just a quick video. I've had a lot of people asking me about the plants and the garden at my house. So I thought, rather than just words on paper, a quick video would help show you some of the plants I've used. Just a little over a week ago, we cut down all the plants, trimmed all the shrubs, cut all the roses way back, getting the yard ready for the new spring growth. As you can see, some of the plants are already starting to put on their shiny new growth. Here's a little gem magnolia, lots of boxwoods here. My David Austin English roses, which will grow up and put on a really nice show of color. My French Andu's pot with the dwarf Meyer lemon. We go around here. I live on a busy street, so if you hear the cars, that's what it is. So now we've got the planter bed over here, the shrubs, all the boxwoods that line the walkway coming up. I'll kind of move a little quicker here. And then this is something I wanted to point out. I did a step hedge, what we call in us garden designers, where I did boxwoods, and then I have a lower hedge of star jasmine right in front. It's going to be beautiful when they all start blooming. So here's just kind of like a last shot of the walkway I designed and we put in, and the last shot of the planter beds coming up. So all the new spring growth is going to be coming on. So give me a call if you need any help on your yard. You want to get the stuff trimmed now. All right, thanks for watching.